Hello, very good day for you. And today, Agri-Biz International is going to talk with you about one of latest news coming from Kenya. This news is reported on StyreTeaCoffee.com website. So today we are going to review that news. The Cargill's exit Mombasa Tea Auction. So we know that the Kenya is one of leading tea producing countries in the world. They are the one of main tea exporters in the world, and Kagis Kenya Limited is the largest buyer at the Mombasa tea auction, and they have decided to take off from the tea auctions after 40 years. So they were actually one of leading tea buyer at the Kenyan tea auction Mombasa, but they have decided to withdraw from the auction. So the company purchased around 60,000 metric tons black tea from uh, the Mombasa tea auction. As a market share. It is around 15 to 20% weekly they buy. The total annual trade value actually it is around 180 to 210 million USD. So this is big damage for the Kenyan tea auction because they have uh, they have been playing a huge role in with respect to the buying of black tea from the Mombasa tea auctions. One of main reason why these biggest buyers are withdrawing from the Mombasa tea auction is actually Kenyan government had decided to put the minimum value per kilograms is around $2.4 per kilograms minimum prices they put. Because of that, a lot of buyers decided to not to buy from the Kenyan auction, and they rejected purchasing tea from Mombasa tea auctions. So because of that, last year Kenya shows around 100 million kilograms surplus, and that was big damage to the KTDA and other main tea producers in the Kenya. After that, Kenyan government decided to withdraw that minimum tea prices, but still the main buyers of the Kenyan tea auctions are withdrawing from the operations of the Mombasa tea auction. So this is a news report in StyreTea.com. It is big damage to the Kenyan tea auction because of the main buyer already have withdrawn from the tea auctions from the Mombasa.